meghalayapost.news.
Ka Meghalaya Bharatiya Janata Party BJP hene ka singi kala kentui Paidbah ka jela panishimenta ban Pynher Lama India lani ka har ghar tiranga campaign ya kene ka har ghar tiranga campaign on sedang nadu ka khatwi tarik haduh ka khatsan tarik banai Nailar arjarap sau ka badiru ka singi lot kari India abakren sigilap thai khbor u national secretary ka BJP Ubakmi ya kejala Meghalaya u Anil ke Anthony ulong baya ka har ghar tiranga la pulong komsi benta ban kenmau burom ya kinong yele ban penyo la luat ya gari India u Anthony la kentui Paidbah kejala Meghalaya ban penher di Lama India halagi yang gesem nadu ka khatwai tarik hadu khatsan tarik ban peni ya kejinglong ya teli ber kejing songsorong ya la gari haka khat ar bakhlai tarik Nailar kajing Pynher Lama India kandai ban kemau burom ya kinong yele la luat gari India bar khat sau tarik Nailar kajing Pynher Lama kadai ban kenmau ya kajing sha phya gari haswa banyo la luat.
The Tiranga is displayed very proudly by every citizen of this country. As a part of this campaign, there are several initiatives that the Bharatiya Janata Party is doing in every state across India, including in Meghalaya. I am the Prabhari of Meghalaya and Nagaland also, along with my national groups. As the first step, between the 11th and 14th of this month, in every assembly constituency across this country, including in Meghalaya, Tiranga Yatras will be held, which will be participated by all the public. Every citizen is requested to be a part of it. There will be bike rallies, there will be marathons, there will be padayatras, everywhere where our Tirangas will be proudly displayed. Meghalaya is also a place with a rich history of freedom struggle. We had great freedom fighters like Turot Singh ji, Kiang Nangman ji, Pa Togan Sangma ji, who all had contributed tremendously in our freedom struggle. And on the 12th and 13th of this month, all the great freedom fighters of the state, across the country this is happening, in Meghalaya also, all our war memorials, all the memorials of our soldiers, our freedom fighters, etc., will be honored, and there will be a Swachhata Abhiyan that will be happening at each of these sites. On the 14th of this month, on the eve of the Independence Day, on 14th, the Partition Horror Commemoration Day will be commemorated in Meghalaya also. Everybody are aware of the horrors that happened during the partition. At this moment, you have the Congress party led by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, leading Congress leaders, the leaders of the opposition, who are once again attempting to divide this country based on caste, polarize the country based on religion. This is once again an occasion for us to remember that these kind of politics have created tremendous damage to this country, tremendous damage to our national integrity and national unity. Right now we have our Honorable Prime Minister, who is working with the vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, Sabka Prayas, where he is working to take 140 crore people together to our destination of being a fully developed country, a Vikasit Bharat by 2047, where every single citizen is taken together. And the 14th on Partition Horror Commemoration Day, it is once again a reminder to us that all kind of divisive politics, caste-based politics, religious-based politics that are practiced by the opposition right now, it had made our nation pay a very heavy price in the past. These kind of mistakes should never be once again repeated, and it is very high time that we all work towards our goal of being a fully Vikasit Bharat by taking everybody together without this kind of divisive politics. Then on the 15th of August, on our Independence Day, as our nation celebrates our Independence Day, there will be celebrations across India, there will be official ceremonies across India. Our Honorable Prime Minister will be hoisting the flag at Red Fort and he will be addressing the nation. As we celebrate our Independence Day across India, we request, and our Prime Minister has given a clarion call to every citizen across this India to take part in the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, to proudly display your Tirangas, proudly display your national flags. From every citizen to the last child, be a part of this campaign. This is a campaign that is not political. This is a campaign that is signifying our national integrity, is signifying our national unity. It is a campaign that is meant to forward our messages of patriotism and nationalism across India. The Northeast region is a region where our Honorable Prime Minister has always put special emphasis in the last 10 years under his Act East policy. We have, the central government has spent over 5 lakh, 6 lakh crores in this region to develop this region, to increase connectivity with projects like, with initiatives like BIMSTEC, with our Act East policies. The Honorable Prime Minister is having a vision to connect the Northeast region and transform this region as India's gateway to Southeast Asia, South Asia, etc. This region has been tremendously developing. Northeast region has been fully integrated to rest of India than any time in the past. And this time we request every single person in this region, including the state of Meghalaya, to be fully participatory in this campaign, the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Proudly display your national flags. It is a message of national integrity and national unity. And this is a great opportunity for us to be a proud part of our most vibrant day of our democratic history, our Independence Day. Thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news.